Check out this is 2011 Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, tow hitch receiver, steel wheels, automatic headlights, passenger airbag, locking pickup truck tailgate, MP3 audio, audio input, power outlet and tilt steering. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.